The 2025 Chevrolet B1 is here, and it's making waves in the automotive world with its bold design and futuristic features. This vehicle represents Chevrolet's leap into the future, combining cutting-edge technology with the brand's trusted performance legacy. At first glance, the B1 grabs your attention with its aerodynamic shape, aggressive front grille, and sleek LED lighting. The design screams innovation, and Chevrolet has clearly put a lot of thought into making the B1 stand out on the road while remaining functional. From its sculpted body lines to its innovative wheel designs, every detail has been crafted to balance style with efficiency. Under the hood, the Chevrolet B1 doesn't disappoint. It's powered by an all-electric drivetrain, showcasing Chevrolet's commitment to sustainability and clean energy. The powertrain delivers impressive performance, offering instant torque for quick acceleration. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the B1 promises a smooth and dynamic driving experience. With a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge, range anxiety becomes a thing of the past. The fast charging capability means you can regain up to 80% of the battery in just 30 minutes, making it practical for long journeys. Chevrolet has truly embraced the future of mobility with this model, ensuring that drivers get the power and convenience they need. Inside, the B1 redefines comfort and technology. The cabin is a masterpiece of modern design, featuring high-quality materials, spacious seating, and a futuristic dashboard. At the center of it all is a massive 15-inch touchscreen display that integrates seamlessly with Chevrolet's advanced infotainment system. From navigation and music streaming to vehicle settings and climate control, everything is at your fingertips. Voice commands and gesture controls add an extra layer of convenience, ensuring you stay focused on the road. The inclusion of a premium sound system ensures that every drive feels like a concert experience, while the ambient lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere. Safety is another area where the B1 excels. Chevrolet has packed this vehicle with state-of-the-art safety features to give drivers peace of mind. Advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking come as standard. The car also features a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, and parking assist to make maneuvering easier than ever. For those who value autonomous driving, the B1 includes Chevrolet's latest semi-autonomous driving mode, which handles acceleration, braking, and even some steering in certain conditions. Another exciting aspect of the B1 is its connectivity. The vehicle is 5G enabled, allowing for over-the-air updates that ensure the car always has the latest software. It's also equipped with features like wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports, and smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and